Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, I'll be your guide as we delve into the universe of preventive maintenance. We'll explore how it can keep your business assets humming along smoothly, but we'll also examine when it's not the right fit and how to avoid common pitfalls. Stick around to learn how to effectively implement a preventive maintenance plan, maximizing efficiency and bolstering workplace safety. Let's get started. We're diving into the world of preventive maintenance. This is a system many businesses use to schedule maintenance tasks for assets, machinery, and other equipment. Tasks are usually scheduled based on time or equipment usage. For example, one machine may need lubrication for every 100 hours of operation, while another asset may need an inspection or tune-up on an annual basis. But preventive maintenance is not always the right option for every piece of equipment. Sometimes the costs associated with preventive maintenance can actually outweigh the benefits, particularly on older or less critical assets. You might be wondering, how do you properly implement a preventive maintenance plan? First, you need to determine your most critical assets. According to IBM, as much as 50% of the money you spend creating a preventive maintenance plan can be wasted if you're focusing on maintenance tasks that do not prevent failure. It's crucial to identify critical assets that have particular failure modes, which can be prevented by a good preventive maintenance plan. Next, match employee skill sets with assigned tasks. By properly assigning tasks to the right level of trained employee or outside consultant, you'll maximize your labor investment. You may even want to invest in ongoing training of this team so they can perform the required maintenance tasks completely and effectively without fail. Then, mindfully schedule work orders. Set up efficient work patterns for your maintenance technicians. If you can minimize the time technicians spend traveling from one service project to the next, your entire maintenance department will run more smoothly and efficiently. And, once you've established your maintenance schedule, be sure to incorporate frequent inspections before components or parts are expected to break down. That way, you'll be able to catch any potential problems early enough to avoid downtime. Now, let's talk about the advantages of preventive maintenance. These include less equipment downtime, fewer interruptions to critical operations, longer asset life, improved efficiency, and increased workplace safety. When implemented properly, a preventive maintenance plan results in savings over time as assets last longer, use less energy, and cause fewer interruptions to your processes. However, it's also important to be aware of common preventive maintenance mistakes. These include setting unclear instructions, not outlining feasible timeframes, errors in prioritization, mishaps in MRO parts, and forgetting to document all completed work. Just as there are advantages, there are also disadvantages to preventive maintenance. These include the upfront costs of preventive maintenance, it being more labor-intensive, and the potential for over-maintenance. So what does an effective preventive maintenance plan look like? Let's take an example of a preventive maintenance program for heavy machinery. This asset may be one of the most expensive pieces of equipment your business owns, and it can also be expensive to fix. If this machine costs $100,000 new and requires $30,000 in maintenance and repair over 7,000 hours of operation, we can reduce those costs effectively with a preventive maintenance program. Here's a step-by-step plan in putting a preventive maintenance program in place. First, commit as a company to a preventive maintenance program. Second, establish a preventive maintenance checklist for your critical equipment. Third, find the major reasons that your critical asset breaks down. Fourth, become familiar with your assets. Fifth, incorporate an aspect of continuous improvement and ongoing training in your preventive maintenance program. Sixth, start with the manufacturer-recommended maintenance schedule. And finally, keep track of all information and any changes. In conclusion, a preventive maintenance program can be an excellent way to help a company reduce breakdowns, minimize downtime, improve efficiency, and lengthen equipment lifespan. However, like with any program, it's important to understand what types of situations and what kind of equipment can benefit the most from a solid preventive maintenance program. Be sure to have the tools, processes, and people in place in order to execute the program successfully. Clear and complete instructions, as well as technician training, will be critical to the effectiveness of a preventive maintenance program. And don't forget to track all of the tasks, checklists, and history on an ongoing basis. If high-quality data is collected throughout the process, the management team will have an excellent resource to analyze critical equipment performance and make smarter business decisions in the long run. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the importance of preventive maintenance, how to implement it effectively, and the pros and cons to consider. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources and tools to help your maintenance and operations teams succeed, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the key to a successful preventive maintenance plan is understanding your assets, training your team, and tracking your progress. Until next time, keep up the good work.